uh, Title 12, Crimes Against the Civil Status of Persons. 347, Simulation of Births, Substitution of a child for another, and concealment or abandonment of a legitimate child, usurpation of civil status, bigamy, marriage contracted against provisions of laws, premature marriages, performance of illegal marriage ceremony.